You're hosting a live webinar when a participant suddenly ends the call for everyone. Sound familiar? When everyone joins as a moderator, anyone can disrupt, mute, or shut down your session. FlexMeeting's Moderator Access Control lets you decide exactly who gets moderator power and who just shows up to participate. Head to FlexMeeting Ultimate in your WordPress dashboard and open Admin Settings. Scroll to Allow Moderator Access for. Pick the user roles you trust as moderators and save. Everyone else joins as a regular participant. No moderator controls, no accidental disruptions. Need more flexibility? When creating any meeting, you can override the global setting, inherit your defaults, set custom roles just for that session, or restrict moderator access to the host only. This feature is great for running an online course or membership webinars. Assign moderator access to instructors only. Other users attend and interact, without the ability to accidentally mute others or end the class. Moderator access control is available in FlexMeeting Ultimate. Upgrade today and take full control of every meeting you host.